Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Prostate Plug number 13. So let's get started. So this is the Glass Prostate Plug number 13 itself. Now this is a very unique prostate plug. The bent butt plug is perfect for prostate stimulation. This anal plug is made entirely out of transparent glass, which makes it heavier and smoother than regular butt plugs. The bent shaft makes sure the plug has a perfect position, and while the pull ring offers a perfect grip at all times as well. Because the glass is soft and smooth, it makes sure that penetration is comfortable during use. Because it's made entirely out of glass, it's also suitable for temperature play, so you can pop it in cold water to enjoy cool sensations or warm water for warmer sensations. The toy is safe to use in combination with any type of lubricant as well. For example, you could use it with a water-based lubricant, or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Of course, make sure to clean the prostate plug after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag where you can pop your number 13 plug in. This helps to keep it discreet and dust free. And that is the Gildo Glass Prostate Plug number 13. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.